කවුද කියන්න?
මං තමයි මකර රණශූරයා.
Alright, today we're using only Capcut. First, add your clip to the timeline, then apply the sharpen edge effect. Set the blur to 0. Sharpen to 41. Filter to 11. And range to 85. Now duplicate that effect. For the second one, set sharpen to 16. Filter to 6. And range to 81. Next, add the chromatic effect. Set the speed to 0. Strength to 15. And lateral chromatic aberration to 44. After that, go to filters and add the radiant filter. Alright, we're done with the hard part. It already looks really good, but we can make it even better with some color adjustments. Go to Adjustment and add a custom adjustment layer. Set contrast to 10. Saturation to 4. Sharpen to 18. Highlights to -6. And vintage to 5. And that's it. Just remember, these values might change depending on your clip, so feel free to tweak them a bit. Alright, that's it for today. If you want more tutorials like this, just tell me in the comments.